It is a truth universally acknowledged that every now and again a situation arises that defies explanation. And so it was with the ascension of the Third Street Saints. When the Saints made their presence known to the world in 2006, they were decried for being pretenders to the throne. The people were confused. Were the Saints sociopathic killing machines hell-bent on destruction? Or puckish rogues living a life of mirth and whimsy? The Saints needed clarity of purpose, and so the course was set. More fun, less mercy killing. This simple choice revitalized the Saints, transforming them from a degenerate street gang into beloved pop culture icons. But even then, the Saints were not satisfied. For it's one thing to be revered as a hero. It is another to be a hero. And that, my friends, is where our journey begins.
Gonna tell Aunt Mary about Uncle John. He claimed he has the music, but he had a lot of fun. Yes, baby.
Boss, you sure this isn't a setup? Didn't catch that, boss.
Mike is dead? Are you fucking kidding me?
I'm sorry, I forgot to check the battery because I was busy coordinating an international assassination.
Hey, can we go back to the part about this being a setup?
It's not a setup. The intel is good.
You trust this lady?
Asha's one of the good guys. Oleg knows her from the KGB days.
Oh, she's tight with the KGB. I feel a lot better.
Look, Bert and I worked with her too. She's fine.
Oh yeah, I'm sure she's great at putting someone in a fucking body bag. That doesn't mean we should...
We're 3 minutes behind schedule. We need to move.
You're a real people person, aren't you?
I'm sorry, is this a counter-terrorist operation or a Saints flow shoot? I'm Sean. Asha Otakar, follow me. We're here. Didn't expect them to be all business. We know what's at stake. Do you?
Look, lady, this motherfucker knows how to get shit done. Don't you worry about me.
What's security? My tech guy brought us a 10-minute window. If we move fast, we'll only need to worry about the guards on foot.
How many of those are there?
Don't know about the numbers inside, but there are about 8 marching the perimeter. On my signal, we... Oh, hell. We gotta move!
حاسب الله يخرب بيتك وقعت.
For subtlety.
Don't worry about it, honey. Subtlety is not really our thing.
Come on, this way. Base, are you there? What are we walking into?
The intelligence I'm looking at suggests...
Hold on. Hide, truck on its way.
Wait a minute. Your hammer is... Was that Matt Miller?
Kinsey, be nice. Wait, seriously? Matt Miller is a brilliant hacker, a venerated agent of MI6, and a key member of our operation.
And the fact that he tried to kill us.
What's past is past. We are all working together now. Let's focus on the job.
As I was saying...
Hold that thought, Matt. Guards ahead. Hold position. Let's take him out quietly.
طيب طيب.
3
You were saying?
The nuke is stashed deep in the compound. It's likely primed and ready to go.
Getting booted from the U.S. sent Cyrus Temple off the deep end, but teaming up with terrorists? Seriously?
And we're in. Get my back.
You should be nearing the missile.
Cyrus has soldiers everywhere, so be alert.
Attention, please.
Listen,
Got it.
take it personal.
Why would...
I can't kill you in Steelport.
Or maybe take it personal.
You own Steelport. Ruined America.
New game.
Our leaders failed America by letting you live. Time to destroy Washington and start over. Nothing can stop me now, especially you.
Cyrus is seriously lost.
Matt, Kinsey, what's going on?
Shit! Our side's bombing the compound!
But wait a minute, we're still in here!
I'm not dropping the bomb!
Just get them to stop.
I'll do what I can, but work quickly.
What the fuck? Where to now then?
Don't sweat. I got you. Come here, bitch. This way, people.
Every mission has its bumps.
Bump? You call that a bump?
You're alive, are you? Pierce, come with me. You two go through that door.
On.
Let's see how you can handle yourself, Mr. Celebrity. We'll be on mic.
You should be really close to the missile silo now. Stay alert. Cyrus is such a berg when it comes to security.
No sign of the target, but we're looking at a stockpile of explosives and chemicals here. I can't tell what kind.
It's explosive and chemical, lady. What else you need to know?
We snap at each other sometimes, and I don't always understand your methods. But there's no one I'd rather follow into battle.
You said, hey, Piers, how would you like to be the face of the Saints? And I was all, oh man, I'm gonna miss you. Had I any idea you would be so willing to sacrifice yourself to save the world, I suppose I wouldn't have tried to kill you.
Well, we just met, but, you seem, nice. The war has disabled, but it's still moving, boss. Boss, you're right over the...
This is a problem.
It's not a problem.
You alienated part of America.
I alienated crazy people.
You couldn't resist, could you?
Jesus, not you two.
This is a problem.
I keep trying to explain that, but the president won't listen.
Poverty is a problem. Apartheid is a problem. This is just a couple of...
Here's the latest approval poll.
We lost 20 points. We can get them back.
They're at 20 points.
I'll admit that's a little lower than anticipated.
So you agree you have a problem?
Nope, you do. You're the communications director. Fix this.
Can you give me 100% employment?
No.
Will you get married?
Fuck no.
Then I think we're in trouble.
King, can you have this naysayer assassinated?
Not when you say it publicly.
I'm more fun as a gang leader.
We have a country to run. Fun isn't part of the equation.
Where's a septic truck when you need one? Come on, Keith, have some good news. He schedules a press conference for this early in the morning.
Listen, we've got enough clout right now for one major bill, not both. What do you want me to push forward? Do you want to be the president who cured cancer or the president who solved world hunger?
Well, cancer had a good run, but it's time to put it down.
Good choice.
I hope Kenzie's keeping the sharks at bay.
Now, you listen here. If you think you can cram your agenda past Congress, you are in for a rude awakening. You hear me? Now, let me tell you a little something about the greatest word in politics. Filibuster.
I got a word for you.
Ow, my face!
I think I cut my knuckle in that senator's teeth.
Oleg and I are about to head over to Camp David to watch some Nightblade. Yep. You down? Boom!
It saved me some popcorn this time.
I'm your #1 fan!
Nice work, Oleg.
president's words were taken out of context.
Kinsey, what's the right context for, and I quote, "I'm the patron saint of America. We should probably look into changing the Pledge of Allegiance to one nation under me"?
That's a great question. Jane?
I think we have a problem.
Oh, not you two. How many times do I have
Asha and Miller are waiting for you in the Oval Office.
If MI6 needed something, they would send it up the chain, not fly across an ocean.
They said nobody back home believes them.
Jesus, what's going on?
They think we're about to be attacked by aliens.
I gotta go.
This is serious. You know that Kinsey's been saying the same thing.
When did you start taking Kinsey seriously?
When the people who helped us save the world said we should.
All right, I'll swing by after I...
Hello, humans. Ladies and gentlemen, this is not a time for fear, but a time for celebration. Today, the best and brightest among you will find salvation within the Zin Empire.
I'm smarter than all these people.
Delightful.
Kinsey, no! Protect the president!
I do love your spirit, my dear. I'm Zinyak. Pleasure to meet you. Would you like to join me for a ride? Splendid.
Get off me! I need to get some guns.
Reports are coming in from all over.
Told them we should have a gun every 5 steps. Every 5 steps, I said. All hail to me!
There you are. Thank God you're all right.
You okay? Where's Matt?
Upstairs, trying to find out what's happening.
What is happening?
All out war by the looks of it. I'm meeting up with Matt. I'll be in touch via comm.
Be careful. Oh, beautiful, beautiful guns. Who's compensating now, huh?
Come on, this way! What the fuck?
Keith! Damn it!
Motherfucker!
Shit, what the fuck is going on? Pierce, Finn, we gotta move!
Shit, player! Save yourself! Fuck that! Save me!
Millions of people
I've trained for this!
disappearing around the globe. Death toll is increasing. Response from world
Shit.
governments has been slow.
These are so dead. Leave my country alone! I regret nothing! Find that ugly mother...
Identified by
Oh, you pissed off the wrong POTUS, assholes!
have delivered no
I did
ultimatum,
this
no demand.
for you.
They appear to be here to conquer the earth.
We got this! I regret nothing!
Matt and I are at the South Portico. You have to see this.
Where are you, asshole?
Die, alien motherfucker!
Cabinet over here. Fucking head off.
Shit!
Oh no! Oh no! Oh no!
Matt, hold on to me!
Asha! Matt! God damn it!
Tell my wife I had another one. Whoa. I did this
You. How many of you are there?
Bird to Ernie. Activate South Portico defenses. Let's do this, you beautiful thing.
Come get a taste! I'll shoot down every last one of you! You stole my crew. Don't worry, you took my cabinet. You think you could come here and fuck with my country? This is for Lady Liberty. One's for Uncle Sam! This one's just because I want to!
Humans enjoy leaping so much.
Get off my lawn, you son of a bitch! Didn't count on me, did you?
Well, hello there. Welcome aboard.
I'm gonna hang you over the fireplace, you angry fuck!
Now, not so fast.
Say goodnight. What? Ow!
Did you really think you could stop me?
Shit!
Human arrogance. Is there anything more charming?
Fucking ass! Oh! You gotta...
Do what exactly? Huh? Bravado me to death? I'm going to have fun breaking you.
Goodness me, what a dream.